Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on Bumble app. To know how to fix or how to find the solution about denied account on Bumble, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Bumble app. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Here you can go to storage. You can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.